Today's tutorial is about the Dodge tool, used for brightening specific areas creatively. Select it with O. Choose a soft brush and keep exposure between 3 to 10% to avoid harsh patches. Set range to midtones for natural brightening. For glowing highlights, switch to highlights mode. Gently brush over areas you want to illuminate: cheekbones, edges, metal, or fabric folds. Always work on a duplicate layer so you can adjust opacity afterward. Dodge tool is perfect for guiding attention, enhancing depth, and creating subtle light accents without overdoing it.